Ryan James. In this video, I'm telling you the top 5 ways how to get a girl to like you. Let's just jump right into it. I'm going to list all 5 off and then I'll break them down. Number 1, do not chase her. Get her to chase you. Number 2, make it fun, keep it fun. Number 3, make her validate herself to you. Don't validate yourself to her. You'll do it in these 4 other ways. Number 4, make sure to let her know that you have other and better options. Number 5, be the cause of her feelings. I'm going to give you a bonus one at the end of this video. Okay, so let's jump into the first one. Number 1, don't chase her, make her chase you. This is going to sound like something you've heard before, but you want to focus on yourself. You want to make your life as awesome and as cool as you possibly can, so that she just wants to learn about you, get to know you more, and become part of that awesome life. You don't want to demonstrate that you are chasing after her by giving away your attention for free, liking her social medias. You don't want to be giving the illusion that you care about things that you should not care about. So number 2, have it be fun. Make it fun, keep it fun. How, Ryan? How do I make something fun? Simple. Flirt. Do it with teasing her. Tease her in fun, playful ways that demonstrate your sense of humor and what you like, but keep it fun. Keep them constantly engaged. Number 3, let's just go right to number 3. Make her validate herself to you. How? How do I do that one too, Ryan? How do I do that one too? Pretty simple stuff, okay? First of all, don't compliment, okay? You can flip that all the way and say things like, why didn't you get ready today? Even though you know that she did, she'll be like, what? And then she will start to validate herself to you, which is very beneficial. You want to create that dynamic in your guys' relationship, because she will continue to try to validate herself to you in all different ways. And the more time she spends doing that, the more she's going to have invested in you and your guys' relationship. Next one on the list. Present that you have better options. Even if you don't, fake it until you make it. And watch more videos on this channel. You'll have better options in no time. So, what are good ways to present that you have better options? Well, first of all, have better options, but other ways to do this would be staying focused on yourself and knowing the things that you need to get done, because you might be behind on things that you actually have to get done, like you easily might. And if there's things that you just need to take care of in your life, prioritize those things higher than meeting new people. Because if you can't take care of your priorities, why should someone else prioritize you? Think about it. Think about it. Okay? You also can leave a phone viewable that shows that there's other messages from other girls other than the conversation you're just having with her. And that will put her more in a competition mode, where she's going to be more competitive to try to make sure that she's validating herself and getting your attention. And don't give away your attention for free. know what you want, and treat it like a trade. You're trading your attention so that you are also receiving what it is that you want. And the last one on the list was be the cause of her feelings. What do I mean by this? All women make their choices and their decisions based off of their emotions, based off what they are feeling. And it, at the end of the day, it doesn't matter significantly if you're making her constantly feel positive or if you're making her feel negative or somewhere in the middle. As long as she is feeling things because of you, what you said, your choices of words, your actions, she will constantly be thinking about you. And it's like how I mentioned earlier before, the more thought and time that she invests into you, the more valuable you become. It's like anything in life. The more you invest, the more valuable it becomes. And you want to be the most high value man that you can be in every way. And you want to be the most high value man that you can be in every single way possible. You do. You want that. I want that for you. So even if that means that you're going to speak your opinion, tell her things that you know are true, that doesn't align with what she's saying, what she's doing, what she's pursuing, if you can speak with confidence, speak with confidence. Third time, speak with confidence, then you will make her start to question what she thought that her feelings were validating her for being correct. You will demonstrate that you know what you speak about. And in return, she will start to have new feelings, new emotions. And this is very beneficial because the more that she subconsciously, or maybe even consciously, but probably subconsciously, is thinking about you, the more she will want you. And that's probably why you're watching this video. You want females to care about you and to want to be with you, and you also want to learn how to get them into your life and how to keep them in your life. Here's a bonus one for you. This is a very beneficial one, very beneficial. Ask for favors. When you get someone to do a favor for you, they are spending their time trying to validate themselves to you in different ways. And the more time that they're spending, the more they're going to think, I really care about this person. I really want to do things that will impress this person. And I'm willing to sacrifice something, even if it's just free time, to meet your expectations. Good. If you like videos like this, and you like this video, and you like what I'm saying, then like it. Subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. That notification bell, hit it. That way you're notified every time new, valuable videos like this get released. You have an opinion. Take your opinion, turn it into a comment. Share. If there's things you think that should have been mentioned in this top 5 list, let me know in the comment section. Let's start a conversation. Let's get it going, guys. Okay? So, take these things and start to implement them immediately. Your tomorrow can be totally different than it was going to originally be if you start absorbing this stuff in, understanding this stuff, and implementing it, demonstrating that you are a high value man. Women want high value men. So if you want to get more women, you want to meet more women, and you want women to like you, then demonstrate that you are a high value man. Pretty simple stuff, guys. I'll see you in the next one.